how to scan a QR code with any iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to really easily scan QR codes with the camera on your iPhone, and I'll also show you how to fix this if it's not working for you. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to scan QR codes with your iPhone. Open up the camera and just make sure you get the entire QR code in the view of your camera. You should see it open up right there with a little yellow line where if I select that, it'll open up the actual QR code contents. Now, if that didn't work for you, it doesn't scan QR codes. First, let's open up the settings on our iPhone, and we may need to turn on a setting. So once in the settings here, scroll down, select camera, and then just make sure scan QR codes is turned on, and then it should work for you. If after doing that, you still can't scan QR codes with your iPhone, open up a browser and navigate to qrcodegadget.com. Check the description, there's a link down there. This is a website I created. All the tools on this website are extremely private. None of the images from the scanner or anything are uploaded to a server, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So once you get to qrcodegadget.com, select QR code scanner. You need to give it access to your camera so that it can scan QR codes. And then once you do, scroll down and just make sure that you capture the QR code. At the bottom, if it says QR code found, scroll down, and then you'll see the contents of that QR code. You can then copy it. And then if I open up a new browser, I can paste it in there, right there, and hit go. And then I will have opened up the contents of that QR code. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.